property 2 we are having distributivity. Now what this property states, now this property is scalar or a dot product of vector distributes the addition of vectors. Scalar dot product of vectors distributes the addition of vectors. Now what the result we are having then? Number 1, vector A dot vector B plus vector C is equal to vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C. Now this is also called left distributive law. And number 2 we are having vector B plus vector C, this is equal to vector B dot vector A plus vector B, sorry, plus vector C dot vector A. Right distributive law. Now proof. I have drawn a figure here. In the figure, OA is represented by vector A, OB with vector B, BC with vector C. Okay, and then we have drawn some perpendiculars. Now let's follow how to show, how to prove it now. In given figure, this figure, okay, write it then in the figure. Okay, the figure is not given. In the figure, vector OA, vector OB and vector BC, OA, OB and BC represents vector A, vector B and vector C respectively. Now first condition I am taking, vector A dot vector B plus vector C is equal to, now I am taking only left hand side first, okay, vector A dot vector B plus vector C, this is equal to magnitude of vector A, and now to this what we can write it, projection of OC on vector A. Now let us write here vector B plus vector C is projection of OC on vector A. This is equal to vector OM. Okay. Now vector B is projection of vector OB on vector A. This is vector ON. Then vector C projection of BC on vector A. This is equal to NM. This will not be vectors. Okay. Now we are having this is equal to magnitude of A with projection of OC on A. So we have written projection of OC on A, and this is what OM. So this is number 1. Now right hand side, vector A dot vector B is equal to vector A dot vector C. Now vector A dot vector B, this is the right hand side. Now what this means? Magnitude of vector A with projection of vector B on A, one thing, plus magnitude of vector A, because now it is plus vector A dot vector C. So magnitude of vector A and projection of vector C on vector A. Now this is equal to magnitude of A with projection of B on A. Projection of B on A, it is ON. It is NM. Remember one thing, this symbol now it will not be followed by, it is actually plus. Okay, this will be treated as plus now this becomes magnitude of A common in the bracket ON plus NM, and this is equal to magnitude of A with OM. ON plus NM is equal to OM. Number 2. From 1 and 2, vector A dot vector B plus vector C is equal to vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C. Okay. Similarly, we can prove right distributive law. Now this proving right distributive law, now this is homework for you people. Okay, you have to do yourself. Now what the result is, just look here. Now we can write it. This property means distributivity. Okay, this property distributive is an immediate consequences of the fact that, now what immediate consequence, what it is, that projection of this OC, it is B plus C on A, it is equal to projection of this O to B and B to C, one and the same thing. Okay, so now we can write it projection of sum of two vectors, projection of sum of two vectors on any line is equal to projection of sum of two vectors on any line is equal to the sum of the projections of the vectors on same line. Okay, so this is a fact. Okay, we can just define like this also.